Welcome to the show.
I like to go to the shop to buy bread. When you buy bread, you need to buy butter, eggs, jam.
But I feel like information you can more
Exactly, Maria. When can I get share? No, but
Maraga strictly business. The sort of phone let's say about to lean among
business affairs.
Yeah, I want to go well.
Sorry. Mzomnyama ahlanganene. In 3 years to come, 4 years to come, Mtori Range, it will be big.
Welcome back. This is another edition of Charity Podcast. Nakuda fella Easy Dog, aka MJ. Musimano wantawa mtswanga wa khata kusire wa khata. Jaka hale gnale mongwe ka kwano mo lengore khatiso e ke itumella gore o tlo itumella yona le wena ke. Bro, warengda.
Awudiga utwana ke shabo.
Aha. Awudiga man.
Na ke Mashego.
Mashego. Okay, ufane ke Mashego.
Ke Karabo Mashego.
Oh, Karabo Mashego, Karabo Mashego wa tswang kae? Go diragala eng ka ena?
Karabo ke ntwana gas.
Ke ntwana gas.
Ke holetse mo yesterese.
Aha.
Ndongwe lengwe ke itse.
Yeah.
Ke ithutile yona from mo gase ke le mo yona. Then go sorso ntse ke itswe. Re lo extenda le nako gore ke no re ke summarize tse le tsa dithuto.
Tsa dithuto ke ya.
Ka tloa ka ya Mpumalanga re dira electrical.
Okay.
Yeah.
O le ke lena ba le ba o khotla ba o ira motlakase ba o khona ho siamisa motlakase fa le o senyehile.
Nara lukisa.
O la lokisa.
Are khotla go
Okay. Okay.
Nara lukisa. So vele I'm a qualified electrician.
Like really?
Yeah, I'm a qualified electrician with my own company.
Yeah, onale company.
Yeah. Ki Opelong Construction and Projects.
Opelong Constructions and Projects. Yeah.
Ki register ile ka 2015.
Yeah.
And then 2015 ke the year e ke thomile who implement that. Se ke reng ke sona.
Yeah.
Electrician.
Okay.
Yeah, ke na le reference nyana tse mmalwa. Tse leng gore ne di tlile after 2015.
Yeah.
My biggest project di bile Mall of Africa.
Yeah, Mall of Africa, yeah.
Unfortunately ka mole ne ke le under someone.
Yeah.
The group of guys ba ne ke spana le bona. Le bona ba tlhaba le gas.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ke ba ne imamo ke ka tla go mo lokomi.
Yeah.
And then ne ke tsama le ntate mohale. Ya ne Grootman na ga mo steam pattern.
Yeah.
So matlakase braga go bereka in sense ya re asta ba spane fela no.
Yeah.
And asta ba re ke ntwe ki gereng ki ga yitsi ke ntwe mphilisa. Yeah. Ke bereka from.
Yeah.
It's not about the service. I'm also compliant.
Yeah.
And then ke rata fa decline ditsaga that platform. Ya re ba mpese ba spatla. Before nanga facility. Yeah. So mashuga mkhulu.
Okay. Arere for instance o ka bang motho he a batla gore o mo thuse mme tumalano le na e teng mo lengoro ene o ithekela di appliances wena o tsentsa matsogo o mo charge ya matsogo khotsa in most cases wena o tlhela le tsona those appliances
re ke re tsa body code di project tse ke di berekileng or service ke re rileng especially mo gas ke tla ke bereka ka system ya re ke a go client ding ke morela quotation ya material ke checka plan ya ha if una la plan ka mo romela list of material a ira quotation for comparison sake because ke dumela ka COD account e ke berekisang under the company name o kono grey good offer o kono reka material at least ka price reasonable
tla bore ke le material o montsi khotsa maybe ho ya ka gore wena o tlabe o le registered and so forth and so on ka go tlhalwanya ka teng. Okay. Ane yona this thing ya lerato la electricity le semolotse neng yona ke yona 2015
bolela nnete motlakase ne se first option.
Okay, no the options still.
This trade ke le mo yona it was not ebile ne se da kona lore ebile calling because na prefer ne giloba a teacher. So I really get to after I matriculated like 2012. It's class of 2012, 2013 ga Mpumalanga. Ya re ke fitla ka ntlhele ka grelo re ne man. because we can go year the max in terms of teaching. So I'm to upgrade the some way or then Gabona Garish with the prolong I delay Regabon or Gargamo. Way optioning then Gafita like a fellow Zagigrea pamphlet. Yeah, and Gangale feature Colisian Masan. Yeah, then again Rosella.
Yeah.
Hopefully, get fellows give them a togeling.
Yeah.
Kaipe like I'm never weird.
Okay.
Because he got weeds.
Yeah.
And then Agamago.
Yes, well, he's a little seat to a season.
Yeah. Agamago was some. And even though there are challenges, challenge you get one fair.
Yeah.
Get our center thing, allegation. So, in most cases, if I go banale, Tavelarne, Kevergisa Pelularne. I'm giving back in a way.
Yeah.
Because if we tell our almost a month or more to tell it out and learn a guy when a room copelanion, I feel him, Mara Mon or Motonia.
Yeah.
When you go Umofese, Aswani or say out William Barry Okakunus City. I'm a service provider.
Yeah. So, would you really are you working alone or not let him along or regular?
Can I live to Vailorne? Kaba prefer.
Yeah.
And then I prefer it because that's a Spanish second can I team to answer your question.
Yeah.
Team guys is just a group of 5 guys currently because I'm still trying to grow. To extend our leg shift house. Yeah, Sky grab a penny and everything, but nevertheless, I give blame. Yeah, show. Yeah, I get for those 5 guys. Pila project the Logan Pamolong.
So the question is, what's a balance this gender? How now was I this passion over electricians?
I've come across one lady.
Yeah.
All her name interested.
Yeah.
And then you feel what we call intent training service.
Yeah.
Because Nalogos Gila, Uganago TUT Electrical, Tarige Elizabeth. Yeah, on so push it in Yanale, Fanagunyani, and then a really home salamra, get check a horn or Samabian, and then fill Debian for where like experience in Yan grilling.
Yeah.
Kamo company, Kagralorne like Elizabeth Dana Matata.
No flow affair.
Yeah. We are standard the San Pilens one, like I'm going to get one and I'm follow.
Yeah.
And she get follow and get level Spanish high or Veragabian, Veragalabomang. So, Gisha.
Okay. Yeah, as long as I want to was Sadicam hard. I can't have over tea.
Marathon Sabatala. Kori Raskai Santole agenda based. Yeah, even only Mergoming like.
But what's that by?
Yeah,
by time.
Yeah. Marale Bagalar by Tat. Get our great good mentors. A good mentorship, Braga.
Yeah.
Oh, Motuasa or Mani, Motuasa film. Only system very young. Kurutari was a dear lady. Marhoga Gralorne, Nalamotolone, okay, Mohausuba, weekend series.
Yeah.
For far kids or experience. Catalarne when you go and
as long as I had the one a leo trade now, because I want Tatilla, Catilla, anything.
Yes.
So, anyway, Kota, only someone out there, you will this Katisu. Obato to some business, Marahana, that spirit Kotana, Tolopedi, Fasimularo, Twanta, I to set this business, whatever business it may be. So I feta wa Ofelamoy, Okaring Moyan, because of a good number of over this idea or okay, Hinkaira so maybe got a lapid, Marofilling affiliate as a lipid, Okaring Ukoinamuto Kamufa, 2 grades a fair at a lipid. Because of so far, you started small, and you are still down there. How could you make it?
Whatever question now, even though I'm still growing.
Yeah.
Advice to any young hustler. Who's trying more and establish business. And recognize it. And most importantly, I can feed the family high. Learn and maintain a lifestyle. Carrying a but information.
Yeah, information.
It's for business. For business, do your own thing. To allow they are neutrally approach about to learn or Bali. Rather, Bali 2 say, the one of the promises are because personal administration ka mo ona le paperwork gona le dilo tse lorne di tsamela le ID number na le signature ipe mo semong sa rene o nya go ithuta gore o nya go nna o nya go di manager tsa ndo o nya go ngwetho ya o ska tsa idea wa fa motho then wa nya gore a fe direction
Run your own baby.
run your own baby like we will so there ona le tsela tsa re di berekisa nna ke thusitse ke ntate Mahlangu there's this guy called Philip Mahlangu one thusitseng ho bula my company nka mo recommendela batho ba baya ba lorne ba nya go thoma ho register di company and then the rest ke na atlo tsamang le bona ba fa di prompts tsa how to go about doing this but the kantle le mo nna ke happy le assistant ke green wena le motivation and philong ona lo mpha di advice mo le on how to run my own business
okay ke a utlwa mo ile gore ha jana ke ne ke ratile gore nka dira new feature mo ding gore mo new feature ke tlabe ke di go fa quote of the day mo ding gore ke some sort of inspirational words me e o ke tla dira fa na go ntse tsamaya nka re santse rena le ena Mr ke mitsa a ka re market ke tla itlhaba khaki sikhale hona le mo re kopana mo teng re tsana ka reka ere kyat
yeah it's Timmy Turner from 016 in Team Pitur get it.
Hey yo, it's a boy Kuka PTA Kamargamba Team Pitori, you know who it is, from Guru.
Check Max 012, it's a boy DJ Young Master, I want to get no master.
Yo, this is the ghost, the one and only.
EAZIDAWG, on your favorite podcast, charity podcast, Rowena Gawena. Welcome back, more charity podcast. Bologore Hatisa, Relekwa, this place, Elungurqua, yesterday's killer, Hamas Class, Gelefilent Tota, made no matter Halafalo or Tauka, Takaquan, would you ready to the Hanyo, Lea, number 081 488 9777, number 8 happy 081 488 9777, me obate. Mr. Shete, more and I, Mr. Shete's place. Mr. Letansi. Reor Copane, Cockerking Ilaya, Wibona Ilamus. Yamashusha. How about a church? Yancy, how about all the way? So when I don't came in, man, you can not feel it, please a fee. So, oh my God, up a region in the rain. One talk. Yeah, so on that note, Negative Locasia. Din takabotalo ka Mr. Mahlangu ilong hore o thusitse aga go nga ka thusa ba bang ba leng hore ba ka ba le khatlhego ya ka dira tsa kgwebo wa bona so ka sia din takabotalo tsa Mr. Mahlangu fa ile rona le tsone tsa mafaratlhatlha ba ka di sia khotsa le nomoro tsa mogala
ya ntate Mahlangu ke Fikile Mahlangu
o Fikile Mahlangu
yes
yeah
on mo F2 unfortunately ke na le that syndrome yo se Momarazi di phone number di phone number za letsa mme a ke di ka tlo
but as bothata bo botelle anke
for emergency ntse ke bola di then so ntate Mahlangu ke a butse ke boletseng ka ena re nthusitse thata for register a company aga ampa di advice in terms of how to go about getting financial aid le lorne a seng ke fitli mo semong se so for those ba lorne ba nyo go register a company company le ke bolela company ke bolela ka CK ke bolela ka triple BEE ke bolela ka SARS office ba ibitsa tender certificate ke bolela ka CSD
Simulets ka
CSD ya Central Supply Database and mo di government institution e compulsory and then we register to tsana we it's free of charge provided or ne buile batho ba tsona le banta de Mahlangu and others by lorne they are willing to share information without the exploiter bana ba reference chance ra se la to say business guys re bone re bende one so ke outline le document tse di latelang ke CSD ke CK ke company ke bontshang status sa company ha and then ona le triple BEE le ona ena ntse upgrade ho ya ka di level ho ya ka mkhofan service le di project tse le rona o tla ntse di bereka ena ntse upgrade and then rana hape le CSD CK double DEE ke nya bofello ya ke nana re tsa baya mo dinomoro tsa go di siang wa ilo la eza lenda de mahlangu o tla mo fa direction on how to go about obtaining those documents. So re ska le senyetsa nako ke outline di phone number tsa de mahlangu it lo ba 0722 46 59 50 0722 46 59 50 fikile mahlangu
okay mme wena o na le tsona dinomoro tse ka di siang mo leng gore motho a ka ba le khatlhego gongwe a o bitse o tlo kgona go ka dirisana le ena
for a brother referral because a reference is word of mouth nna ke tla ntse ke encourage ke magrot bana ke fitile mona ba le ne ke khonno gra privilege ya re ke bereke under the wing le bona ba khonno bona second le sona ba khonno se exploit that the likes of the Majeni Jerry the likes of Mpo Siema Siema Taven le sona stupid again so mo ke no fitisa fela batho ba le ne like the la ba well know in a sense ya ne ba fitisa ya references na ba ngra go Facebook Facebook page ya ke dila fela ka business ke Nathaniel Karabo ke Facebook page ya ka business and then ke na hapele mmereko ka go posta be ka mo Instagram ya ka dila fela ka mmereko recent work and little bit of previous work so ka mo Instagram on ngra ka Nathaniel.Karabo
Nathaniel.Karabo
yes.
Ko IG
ko Instagram
yes Nathaniel.Karabo
all lowercase
Karabo and then mo Facebook ke santse Nathaniel Karabo hey Nathaniel Karabo okay ke hutwile me Karabo Karabo apena ke para dilo vice versa unte mo so so I wa bana ke be ile to see o ganetse wa itatswa ka go me hape rena kare wa itso ke rena ba karekele mara ke tlo ino
ala ke le juice ne
a get ya ka magle rena ba twanne
dangi ona motho son tswitsetse
one twat so ka he ke buile gore re mo shit this place dira dithulaganyo le Mr. Shete me o tla ka kwano gonne he's working 7 days a week mo dingwe le ka sontaga go ka netso watla talking about 7 days a week Tanzi
yes
o bereka 7 days a week kgotsa ka di weekends a bereke
nna no se ke mo seemong se le sa re I'm available at any time when I service ya because go bolela nnete ke laola ke di call ke na le mmereko le rene yes e teng le yena bo the matter of ga ya ga quota ke mela client re le go le ka sende then one bitsa ka comment so hona le di problem o tshwana le re ba utsweditse cable ona le bothata ba rene o pala go kentsha dilo ba shiditse no so ba re ke di key change o ba re sa di token see ba advice tse batho mo moraonyana mo ba ile update di meter boxes tsa bona most of them
K2 or N1 blah blah blah
so rena le batho ba holo ka mo not only batho ba holo le rena youngsters ba le rena we are not familiar le yona system ye o re fitla re ira byang because are re instruction ba re grand kitchen so nna ke thusa ka ntongwe le nngwe e le ya mana le motlakase ke dila ka domestic office ke yona the light part of electrical domestic ke mo dirang house wiring ke ra maintenance ke ra repair then ke ra not literally repair sorry for the replacement yes and then ke na le ke sentse ke bola hape le go heavy current if you need a cable you need a transformer I can get you those things and you can install them with the right documentation it's a lot need to comply with those things so how fela go rene so ntse o itse le wena ro batlang if I lies le Mashego o ka lies le Eskom direct
ke o tshwara ka ke potso nna ke batla go butsa yona gore are you dealing with heavy or light current so guys it's wa rabile ke khona o tlhaloganye le babogedi ba e tlhalogantse wa tlhaloganye so are for instance now motho o korele tendera wa ho bitsa hore o tlo bereka le ena are you willing hore ka bereka le ena khotsa like o sa ilo go batla le site mo fatshe o batla go itse gore reng a bitsa wena so forth and so on good like for now motho o ne tendara a shi tendara a shi borotho a re span wena e tla le team ya hao o ka itsenela
ke rata mantswe a boletseng go bofelo o re tla le team ya hao because nna mo la about team ke na le manyora mabagi a itseng ka kasi ba ile re ne ka tsela bona ha ba mbona ba bona ya hustler
yeah
and then ke na lo bona re ne ke pusha le motivation in sense ya re ne like ke na lo advice manyora mabagi ne guys Spanish maranna if you are willing to work with me nga fa PT cash nga so PDs so I can go to the bereka le nna o tla ka makoko because right now I'm on the edge or I'm still establishing something se lo ne ke nya go se feletse se so PDs so nga itse because I have the right documentation to do so saga fela o sita in o proper yes I have to go and sit in ke tlhalwanye structure le scope sa mmereko so we am come to tla benga mpisa re Mashego as an electrician khopela on tshware this portion and then for as long as I get the player razaka I'm willing to work with you because I give it gilwa long ko loka ngre ke bereka le manyora ka ke le ka marawana wa fitla wa ya wa runya ka electrician
ka se recognize or who is who here
because we are all electricians
okay and the criteria elong wa berekisa gore motho a wele go teaming ya hao o mo screen a bya motho it's like we lo go mo fa partner ne rileng ya gore at least e be induction or onora ka gore go tle ba re o ile electricity somare na per puso bo tlere harambe
muski si manyora ka spana lona ke thoma le bona ke thomile le bona individual ke ba tsaka di one ke in the assistant so some Thomas when see bona hore you must start by being a good assistant so you must love what you do because nna ke rata ntse if you love what you do eventually you'll be successful so ke nyaka manyora lone they are not in it for money because zaga yana ite mara skan ka pesa moya o lor ne nyaka chele arbere ke automatically anoronga o berekisa ka suri wat because motivation o tla mo
and this skill o tla bo feel skill
of which you can do again if we now you are determined you know I'm a very nice person to work with and then how can grega berega mutlagasi like be impressed berega in the sense are giro e bona halo gar gin dong sembo and then
you are used to it we try it
gore le motho ke berega agi mo ro an le tsho mutlagasi wa bola of which you felt no go ba flex when you go jump you go no ke dira ga gore ntong le ngwe ke thekela ka question ya ka e lebeletse motho ke bereka le and then he ke delegate ke ka mo morao ka tla ke tlo check gore motho o bereka gore pleke ha ya se hazard na a ke gore motho go bala le go side
of which you are a good team leader mo leng gore hape he motho a tlhokomela team ya hae meaning you are a good team leader one right so on that note it's a lebeletse so far batho ba bantsi ba tlile go ka go bitsa kgotsa ba tlile go ka batla information ka ga Mr. Mahlangu and so forth and so on because the lena se ke khonne go ka bona this and that so ka he ke buile ka kang ya quote of the day ke na go le re nka fa quote of the day yari it goes like so one way to get the most out of life is to look upon it as an adventure again one way to get the most out of life is to look upon it as an adventure at least ke mang e kwatile ke William Feather e leng gore Feather ile ke le fofa me vele hape hantsi mo lifeng ho ka tsaya life ka rata be sa this way if you take life too seriously you never come out of it alive okay I wanna say gore I wanna say lo at all why tsena akena selo o tampotsa o tloba le mindset wa gore bofelong o khona o feletsa o kreile se o se batlang
o tsana no almost dinsa di code like I'm easily motivated and don't long we boletseng ke na no le di listeners ba ska utlwela ka tsebe must listen to understand I myself could do ga yare don't want as much as you live but live as much as you want. Then in that way, it's compare. Hence, timeline is a Facebook. di ka stuile di tshwane so phela braka wa ntshwara and then mo bona ngore wa leka ska nna le magogo ska nna le that ego ya wa approach motor braka o tseng ka ka mo ya couple advice or assistance yes sympathy ke ntwe mo nga dinyake kutlele botlhoko braka e re re be weak ntshwara braka sorry man mpe direction yeah so I'm motivated by the fact that le nantse le posa di code tsa tshwana le tse le di posa so thank you so much
ke hole buile nna ke so pele ke harela ke batla re wena e be wena o leng gore o re fa tsamaiso ya gompieno ka re tshantse tsena ke rekela ya rena ile gore o tsena no so tsena e leng gore normal
the Gabola church yeah occasionally yeah once you're in a gift mo lefelong leo but the ntwe hantsi impiang intact le moya se wa se greg since I'm no longer a church goer ke quiet yeah I'm a not a chorista yeah I'm a chorista mo choiring yeah mo kasi mo stress goes by Voices of Joy Scenery Joy Scenery yes yeah so get la pentep group elerne locally mo di bimo yeah we are even staging kadi 9 it's a February Mandela
it will be Sunday
it will be Sunday
meaning next week
yes and I'll stage go Mandela so that's why I get intact my spiritual side yeah because aside from the Gabola church I'm no longer going to the actual church
yeah ke o tshwara ka ona ke re distract so ke re buile ke tlo ya go ka tsatsi la gompieno me o nne ntse ba bolelela ba bang gore e teng ya tshela yona charity podcast me re gatisa ka lorato le ngoro le botswa pele go tswa mo share this place akere o tla nne ntse ba bolelela bang just tell your boys to tell their boys that those boys are busy there so on that note ka re msimana le wa ntlha wa motsonga wa khatla khutira ba khatla a re rata o ratiwe even on that note king say vala
yeah it's Timmy Turner from 016 in Team Pitur. Get here.
Hey yo, it's a boy Kuka PTA Kamargamba Team Pituri. You know who it is from Guru.
Check Max 012. It's a boy DJ Young Master. I want you in master.
Yo, this is the ghost, the one and only.
EAZIDAWG, one of your favorite podcast, charity podcast. Rewena, Kawena.